This means space road trip!
We've landed, taken atmospheric samples and preparing remote mapping.
Let's go explore.
Now?
Right now.
But there's only 6 hours left of daylight.
There's no time. I want to go now, or else I'll go get hammered.
Fine.
Look at the CO2 levels. Outside, it's completely toxic, but in here...
Cleaner than air. But we don't know if there are any toxins or pathogens.
There's no time. Ah. Okay. First...
Was that really a good idea?
Hey, what smells like corpses?
Do you realize what we found? We found evidence of aliens.
Yeah, but I've never felt so alone. They're all dead.
But you've still got me, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get hammered. So, hey, robot, beer me.
I would appreciate it if you would not speak to me like that. I'm a thinking entity deserving of respect.
Hey, whatever, plastic man. Hey, look, I'm hurting here, so less talking, more drinking.
We found a head. Go us. What have you learned about it?
If you electrocute it, it moves.
Boop.
Let's see what happens if we crank it up.
Boop.
According to this scan, as well as the goop on the wall, their DNA is a perfect match for ours.
Well, not an exact match.
100% exact. That's what the readout says.
Wait. That's not how DNA works. I mean, if you had two people of European and African descent, their DNA would be different by up to 0.1%.
Doctor.
Hell, even identical twins don't have identical DNA.
Doctor.
The environment would change their DNA, making them...
Doctor! You're scaring the audience with science.
You know, if you wanted to get laid, you could just say, "Hey, I want to get laid."
I could say that, right? But then it wouldn't make sense why I would find myself 500 million miles away from every man on Earth.
You know 500 million miles barely puts you past Jupiter, right?
What? No, that's a very big number.
Not that big. Trust me. I'm the space pilot. I'm one of the only people on this mission who's any good at his job.
Whatever, let's just get it on.
Now you're talking. Where are we?
How should I know?
You're the cartographer.
I'm a geologist.
But you just made a map!
Look, I'm only in this for the money.
You got into academics for the money?
I mean, of course. Look over there, an alien.
Oh, look at that! Scary looking hissing aliens are the cutest!
You're gonna observe protocol and observe it from a distance, aren't you?
No, there's no time. I'm gonna touch it. Who's a cutie? Who's a cutie alien? Snake, you are. You're a cutie alien. Oh!
Well, that escalated quickly.
I've got to get this alien baby out of me. Medpod!
Space 911, please state the nature of your emergency.
I need a cesarean.
I'm sorry, I'm afraid I only answer to the patriarchy.
But you belong to Vickers.
Foreshadowing.
This is me being a badass and switching you to manual. Oh God, what is that?
Your copay for out-of-network Medpods is $100.
You were hiding on this ship the whole time?
Yes. I have only a few days of life left in me.
Aren't you going to ask me why I'm all bloody and stitched up?
There's no time. I'm going to meet my maker.
Foreshadowing.
Squiddly bow bow, fine sweetie bow, 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 fa fi keep squat up bow, thick better bow, squiddly bow bow, ba bow.
Squiddly bow.
Sean, get back on board the ship.
There's no time. The engineer's ship is taking off. Janek, you and the other minorities have to stop it.
You heard her. You get off so we can die heroically.
Wait a minute.
In the end, we never found out what they wanted.
And they killed all of us.
Most of us. You know, there's another ship down here. I can fly it.
And you know how to find their home world.
You know what that means. Space road trip!
Wait a minute.
Sorry.
And if you do not watch them back, then they might turn their heads. Angel on the shelf, if you blink, then you are dead.
For just 50 cents a day, you too can sponsor a tribute. Together, we can make a difference in their tragically short lives.